Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day. This is episode 2 of Building the City. I still haven't decided what to call the city yet, but if you haven't checked out episode 1, go click on it first because you probably want to see that so you can get my idea for the design of the city. But today we're building the road and the train tracks, so let's get started. I have here my railroad track, which I'm going to lay down first. Luckily, 3 railroad sections is 48 studs long, which is exactly how wide the base plate is. And if you just put that on there, you'll notice that it comes up right to the edge on both sides. So I'm going to actually push that down. Then we also need the road, which is going to be made up of this piece, which is a gigantic tile. It's kind of a hard to find piece, but it's super useful for stuff like this. And I'm just going to put it right here, also centering it. It has a lot of studs to connect to, so I want to make sure I get that down firmly. And then the other section of the road that I'm going to have, I'm going to add some extra tiles here to just finish up this area of the road. That way it comes all the way to this edge. And put a few graded tiles in there so it looks like some drains on the road. For the railroad track, I want to add a little bit of detail. And generally what railroad tracks are built on is like a gravel thing. So I have all of these nice gray round plates. So I'm just going to lay them out. Okay guys, as you can see, I added all of the circle tiles and plates onto the tracks, giving it some nice detail and some rockiness. The one thing that I can do is add some slopes here on the train track to let the cars go up and over. And also there's supposed to be another platform here on top of the tracks. So I'm going to build that right now. And there we go. Now we have the platform so the cars can get up and over the train smoothly, but it still has the tracks through there so the train can get through as well. Anyway guys, I think that's about it. I hope you enjoy the progress that we made in this week's episode. And in the next episode, you'll be able to see the blocks being built up, all 4 blocks. And that'll help us envision the layout of the city even better. Please subscribe for more videos like this and turn on notifications so you know when the next episode comes out. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video.